white, brown, brown. Yeah.
Yeah.
Put all next to each other. Yeah.
Must be like that, huh? Straight.
Must make them straight, yeah?
Yeah. Straightening the wire. Take a
Take a connection
Yes.
this way, yeah? Like the picture. Yeah, in the same order that we straight it.
Okay.
Not in any other way. We put in the same order inside the connector, yeah?
We push little bit.
Not little bit, many bit.
Maybe though. Exactly.
Fuck, I cannot even see. Where is the light here, my friend? I cannot even see. Look, this cable crossing is not good. One crossing is not good.
Cut well.
Where's the connector now?
Wow.
Push inside up to forward, yeah? Make sure your color. Look.
Yeah.
White, orange, orange. White, green, blue. White, blue, green. White, brown, brown.
Okay.
Make sure it's coming all the way to the forward.
Then after that,
Put inside. Yeah, 8 pin.
8 pins.
Click inside. And after click
like that. Push.
and remove.
Now finish.
Finish.
Okay. Next we do my own work. Okay guys, easy cutting this cable cover and remove. Easy out. Then this cable is about 8 pieces for first. Cutting this one and every pair we make it straight bevel so that during insert in the RJ45 is very easy. Yes, measure the alignment and cut this portion. Now we're going to insert the RJ45, but it's not make it straight, So we align again. Now it's okay. We insert slowly to avoid damage, and take the crimping tool of RJ45 slot, 8 pin, and now slowly freezing the tool and make it thick, so it's mean already finished. After that, check the color code if exactly. So thank you guys for watching. See you next video. Don't forget to subscribe.